Hey everyone, it's Kevin, and welcome to another edition of Campfire Cooking Collaboration that we're doing with Our World Outdoors. It's good in the woods. It's good in the woods. Time Out for the Trail. Hawkeye Hikes. Jason Outdoors, and Knights of the Trail. And it was kind of difficult remembering all those without a cue card or anything. So anyways, this month we are going to be doing pineapple upside down cake. And I'm going to basically cook this over a campfire. If I was backpacking, I'm going to use aluminum foil. And if you prepare all your ingredients ahead of time, you could just freeze all that and bring it out to the trail with you. So let's get cooking. All right, so for this campfire cooking, I'm going to be making a dessert. I'm going to make pineapple upside down cake that you can either take backpacking or camping. It's simple, cheap, and only uses 4 ingredients. All right, so the first ingredient you can either make or buy prepackaged. They also have it frozen. I chose to buy some pound cake. And I got this at my local grocery store, already made, simple, or you can choose to make your own. Okay, the second ingredient you're gonna need for this recipe is pineapple. It's best to get the crushed pineapple. This is about $1 a can. You can get it in natural juice or heavy syrup, but it doesn't matter, we're gonna drain it. Okay, so the third ingredient we're gonna use is brown sugar. This is the dark brown sugar. You can also get it in light. You're watching calories, which I wouldn't even bother with this recipe. You could also get it with a Splenda, but nothing beats good old-fashioned brown sugar. And our fourth and final ingredient is good old butter. We're not using margarine, we're going to use old-fashioned butter. Get the salted kind. This was $2 at the store, and we all know butter makes everything taste a lot better. And the final piece of the puzzle is what we're going to cook it in. We're going to use aluminum foil. This is going to be simple, easy. I would say get the Reynolds wrap over the generic store brands. I think it's a little more heavier in weight and a little more durable. All right, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to drain the pineapple. Just pop the can open, go a little ways, and we're going to sit there and just drain it. Okay, so I left one thing out you need to buy, and that's some cooking spray. Pam or any other kind will do. And this basically is going to allow the food not to stick to the aluminum foil. So this is a very important thing to have. I'm glad I remembered it before I started cooking. All right, so I'm going to tear off a piece of foil. It's a little windy out here, so I'm going to use this on here. First step. All right, I'm going to put a little pineapple in here. Spread it out a little. You basically put as much as you want on there. All right, the next step we're going to do is we're going to take some of this pound cake, just break it up in little pieces. And the juices will absorb in there. That'll be pretty good. And you can put as much as you want on there. That should be enough. Now comes the butter. We're going to take about a tablespoon, put it right there on the cake. Brown sugar. Just going to take a little of this and sprinkle on the top. That campfire, melt that in there with the butter and the juices and everything. Should taste pretty good. Our final step is wrapping this thing up. So take that there, tuck that in there, and kind of fold that up, keep it tight. Okay, so we're all set, ready to cook this on the campfire. I got my campfire going. You don't want flames on there, you kind of want just coals on there. But we're gonna cook this for 15 minutes, or at least when the butter and the brown sugar, make a nice little sauce. So, ready to put these on the campfire. Let's see how that cooks. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but those are sizzling. I just checked them after about 6 or 7 minutes, and they're cooking really nice. So about 5, 6 more minutes, and we'll take them off there and taste them. All right, so these have cooked for 15 minutes. I'm going to open this thing up, see what it looks like, and hopefully it tastes pretty good. And there's the final product of our pineapple upside down cake. The true test is we're going to taste this now. All right, so here's my usual guinea pig, my dad. There you go. Yep. Give your honest opinion.
Oh, that's great.
Tasty?
That's just like you bake it in an oven. Yeah.
Oh.
It's very good.
Okay, is it dried out or anything?
No, it's real moist and very hot. It's good.
Because when I opened it up, it smelled like pineapple upside down cake out of the oven.
Brown sugar.
Awesome. And if you hear snorting in the background, that's not him, that's the dog. She's back there roughing around with a ball or something, I don't know. Awesome. Glad you like it. I think someone might be a messy eater.
I think the wind blew that.
Yeah, the wind blew your...
Yeah.
Okay.
That's real good.
Nice. I gotta cut calories.
Oh man, it's good, yeah. Wow.
That is what it looks like. That's pretty good. Oh God.
There's nothing like having dessert before lunch.
All right, so I'm gonna try this. Dad loved it. Holy crap, that's good. That tastes just like the Betty Crocker that my mom used to make and everything. But this is delicious, actually. Yeah, this is a winner here. So, the cool thing about this cooking series, I have never cooked this stuff until today. So, it's all real time. As you see me cooking it and eating it, this is the first time I ever made this stuff. So far I'm 3 for 3. I know I'm gonna have an epic fail one day, but this is awesome. This is a classic. Try this recipe at home for yourself. Put in the comments what you thought about it, and be brutally honest with me, because I need constructive criticism to keep making this stuff better. All right, so we just finished eating the pineapple upside down cake that we cooked over the campfire. My dad and I both agreed that it tasted amazing. It had so much flavor. When you open the wrapper up, it smelled like pineapple upside down cake that's baking in your oven. And I was really impressed with it. I thought it might have been a little ambitious to do, but it turned out to be a major success. So I hope you try this recipe. I hope you like the series, and check out all those other YouTube channels, because they're going to come up with some great recipes as well. And keep watching.